everybody. So yes, I ended up getting another Walmart box. A lot of you guys said you were gonna cancel it. I never did. I was gonna, but then I'm like, I'm gonna give them one more chance. And some people said that they thought the $7 box was worth it. If you guys are new, Walmart Beauty Box has been around for years. This is one reason why I started a YouTube channel, because I used to do unboxings like crazy. And these used to be $5. Well, they say they're free and then you pay $5 for shipping and handling, but yeah. But now they're $7, which I highly doubt shipping and handling is $7. So basically you pay $7. They have you they ask you a couple questions, and I don't know if it's really based off of that. But these boxes used to be super great and then they've gone down. But you just have to type in Walmart Beauty Box if you just want to try something. One thing I do like is around this time they send you a lot of samples, so that's great for if you're traveling and you don't want to bring all those big items. So I'm going to dig in and see what it is. I think this is the summer box. I am not 100% sure. Hopefully there's a card that tells me. But voila. And let's see what we got. So it just says Walmart Beauty Box. And then it shows me all the stuff that they are having. So this is the summer box. So this is all the stuff that they are having in these boxes. And I'll kind of go through it with you guys. So the first thing I see right here is the Listerine. Now these, they say, I think it's $4.99. Okay, Walmart says it's $5.97. CVS I know sells this for $4.99. So you actually get the full size $4.90, you know, full size Listerine, which could be a decent deal. So right there, this box, you know, is pretty much good for it. And then I got a receipt. Awesome, sweet. They gave me conditioner but no shampoo. So I ended up getting the John Frieda Frizz Ease Dream Curls. I got it in the conditioner. There is no shampoo. That's sad. They let you do the conditioner but not the shampoo. But they said the full size of this is $6.97. I'm actually really starting to use John Frieda, so we'll do that stuff. I was just doing a video where I just got this product for a curl thing, but loving this. If I can get a sample of the shampoo for me, then I can take that when I go on a trip. So that's a pretty decent deal. Here we got the Revlon eyeliner pencil. Now this, they say the full size is $7.99. I think they sell this at the store for like $5 something, maybe $6. So I'm thinking this box right now is definitely worth it. I think they listened to a lot of people that were kind of mad from the last box. But I still have more items in here to share with you guys. So I got a full-size Revlon eyeliner. I also got a full-size Almay lipstick. Now they sent the one that says Love Yourself. And this is originally, they have this marked for $7.99. So I got 3 full-size items right here. I think that's a pretty good deal for only paying $7 worth of box. And this conditioner, I feel like it's a good chunk. So, got that, and then I got 2 more items. I got the Cetaphil. I got a little mini sunscreen, which is perfect because I can put this in my purse. It is a sheer mineral sunscreen, SPF 50 in the Cetaphil. The full bottle for this is $14.97 for 3 ounces. This is not even 1 ounce. And then I got the Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub, and this goes for $7.94 for the full bottle. So that's what I got for something like this, but this is perfect for something that I can use in put in my purse for sunscreen. And this is like a scrub. It'd be cool if it was like a lotion because I could put this in my thing, but it just gently exfoliates with microfine particles to reveal radiant looking skin. I think it's got like that weird feel to it. Okay, let's see how this works, because if I could use this as lotion, I totally would. It smells like pretty good. I can feel the little things, but not as... It leaves a little bit of a stickiness, but you just gotta let that dry. But really does make your hands feel soft, so that's kind of cool. So that was everything that I got in my box. They have some Suave Pink Step 3, so they got some Suave samples, the new stuff that just came out. They have a small bottle of the Dollar Shave Club shave butter. Now it looks like it's a smaller size. They could give you the full size. There is the Find Your Happy Place Moisturizing Hand Cream, which is kind of like those little bottles that you can get at Bath and Body Works. So that is saying that it's $3.47. Okay, that's a full size. They also give you a full size of NYX Filler Instant Plumping Color. So a NYX lipstick, they'll give you a full size for. And then there's also a full size of the Wet n Wild Big Papa Mascara. So there is a lot of full-size items in here, which is kind of good. And then there is a Clean Beauty Avocado Hemp Butter Sleep Mask. And then there's a NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Radiant Primer. So these are all the items that you'll get. Everybody gets different things. Not everybody gets the same exact stuff that I do. But that is it. I do think this box is actually worth it. I'll probably give it another try next week. Next season. They usually send these by the season. So we ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I missing another item? Maybe just 6 items? I swear I'm missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 items. So if you think about it, 6 items for $7. 3 of them are full size. I think that's a pretty good deal, and I actually really like the size of this John Frieda conditioner. So that was my Walmart box. I'm actually pretty happy. I will give it a try for the fall box. You do get 4 boxes a year. Automatically just charges your credit card. But I'm pretty excited to see what we can get for the fall. But I am excited to try a couple new products on this stuff that I have not tried. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you guys still are getting your Walmart box or if you're going to try it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.